So Maxwell, we are dog sitting our granddog, your granddog nephew.
Granddog?
Our granddog.
But,
Oliver is coming to visit.
that doesn't make sense.
That doesn't make sense. Sure it does. People have granddogs. We don't have a dog. We don't have...
I want a cat or a dog.
Yeah, I don't know. I was a dog person with growing up, like forever. We had Saint Bernards, Labrador Retrievers, and then I had Great Dane. I like big dogs. And then we had our cat, Midnight. We had our cat, Midnight, for 17 years.
How about we get another cat?
Well, I don't know.
It lowers anxiety.
Oh, we need to get 20 cats if it lowers anxiety. I don't know. I don't know. For all the times we go away, like who's going to look after our cat?
We never go away.
Hey, Mr. Oliver. Oh.
Hi, Mom.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing, hon?
I'm swell. Thank you for watching the dog.
You're welcome.
Got some appointments today, so
Yeah.
Allie's going away for the few days. So
Aw.
thank you.
You're welcome, darling. Are you a good boy? Do you like coming to... Aw, Mr. Oliver. You're a sweet boy. You are. You miss your mom and dad. Granddad Ian's coming home soon. He is. So here we are, taking our granddog for a walk. Come on, Maxwell. Come on, Maxwell. Oh, puppy dog. Come on, Oliver. He's just a puppy. He's just a puppy, 5 months old. So he's learning. Don't let him go over there, Maxwell. Come on. No, no, no. Come on. Go the other way. That's it. Good boy. That's it. So our son Nyles said to tire him out because he's an energetic little puppy. So we're going to go for a walk up to the park. Not too far from our home. Maxwell is home today. Getting out some fresh air. It's cold. It's not that bitter cold. But yeah, make sure you stops. Okay, come on then. Good boy. Good boy. We can go over this way. We can go over this way. Maxwell, you're not used to this. Maxwell's so not used to dogs. Turn this around. Yeah, we had a, hey everybody, we had a poodle. Actually when Nyles was, when our son Nyles, who's 24, we got a poodle, standard poodle. I like big dogs. And well, it was a bit much. It was a bit much. We had 9 children. Nyles was a baby. And we had this poodle who actually, Cameo, she was beautiful, big black standard poodle. But she was sort of the alpha, wanted to be the alpha female. And she was wild. Wow, this is when we lived in our other house. And oh my word, as I was saying, I'm used to big dogs. I had a Great Dane when I met my husband, that I had to actually leave in America when I moved to England, when I married Ian. My brother and his wife and family took my dog Blue. I had her from when she was 6 weeks old till she was 5.
I
had to leave my dog.
What was that whistle Nyles told us to do?
What was the whistle? Just like a, that's it. And yeah, I love big dogs. I love big dogs. And I grew up with St. Bernards. My mom at one point had 3. My mom and dad had 3 St. Bernards. I loved St. Bernards. But I was busy trying to keep 10 children alive and we couldn't do pets. Although we did have a beautiful cat. At one point we had 3 little cats, 3 little kittens. And then we ended up with just the 1 cat, Midnight, who actually lived to 17 years of age. And Midnight died about 7 years ago, and we haven't had an animal since. Ian gets very attached and wasn't keen to have another animal. So our children have cats, and this dog is an Aussie poodle, an Australian sheepdog poodle mix. So yeah, he was him. They look after him very well. But Allie, his wife, is in a wedding this weekend, a Zoom wedding. We have a Zoom wedding coming up on Sunday. Our grandson is getting married, and there's only a few people that can go to the venue.
Is that?
Yeah, it's all poop. It's goose poop. You see all the geese up there? It's like a minefield on this path. Wow.
I want to walk on the grass.
Yeah, walk on the grass then, hon. So yeah,
okay,
this is a local park we have.
More of a minefield.
Tons and tons of Canada goose here. Yeah, this is a lovely little park we have near us. It's funny, the houses we've lived in, we've always lived near a park.
That puddle.
Yeah, we'll have to wipe off his paws when we get home. Oh, he doesn't usually bark, Nyles said. Oh, he sees the Canada geese. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, look at that. Good boy, Oliver. Good boy. You see those birdies? Good boy. Maxwell, you're doing a grand job. Could you be a dog walker? Oh, it's freezing cold. Oh my word. Oh wow. Oh, let's go home, Maxwell. Oh, let's go home. Oh, come on. Oh, all of a sudden it got a chill wind. Oh. I'm using my new I'm using a GoPro. It's new, and I'm sorry if it's up close. I don't love it at all, because my other vlogging camera, I can see what I'm videoing, or if I can see me if it's too high. I don't know what I'm videoing. You may or may not see this video, but I don't want to bring my other camera out because the wind noise. So Maxwell, we've set up an external microphone with a wind catcher thing, this furry thing. So we will see when I go to edit this,
Slow down, Oliver.
because boy oh boy is it windy. It is cold and windy out. So trying to tire him out.
Me and the dog will stay out longer.
Ah, you're a good boy, Maxwell.
But you don't want me to.
Nah, he can come in.
I know.
Oh.
He's eating poop.
He's eating poop. That's what dogs sometimes do. Isn't it gross? Boy, oh boy, the amount of goose poop on these trails. Because this one, I have very short arms, so it's probably very close to my face, which I could do without. So I'll have to get another selfie stick. Not for my camera, for excuse me, not for my phone, for my camera. So, I'll see how this one is with this silly GoPro.
Oliver.
No, don't eat that. Ugh.
He will eat it.
He will eat them. Niles was saying this dog eats anything. Pull up the leash just a little bit, honey. We can go across here, Maxwell. Little road that's closed off. Oh, it sounds like I'm out of breath, and I actually am, because I'm telling you, wow, it is so cold. The wind is absolutely taking my breath away. You must excuse me. It's bitter cold today. I think it was only it's about 21, which isn't that bad, but with the wind chill, yeah, it was about 21 when I last saw, which we're used to, but with the wind chill, it was in the single digits. Whew, it is very, very cold today. So I'm out of breath. Oh, it's taking it out of me. And again, if you see this, it's very close to my face. My selfie stick was way, way, way out there, but I have short little arms. They're working on the bridge today. We got a ton of equipment. Yeah, a ton of equipment was delivered the other day. Ian was all excited. He was so funny. He's like, oh, let me take a picture of that big crane being dropped off. I'm like, oh my word, what are we gonna do when the bridge is open? I won't be able to film, will I? Because there'll be traffic on our road. So, yeah, all right, folks. Thanks for coming along with us, and we'll see you later. You gonna go to sleep? I'm editing this movie with Oliver as the star. You gonna go to sleep? Are you tired? No? There's so much to look at. There's so much to look at in this house. Aww.
Paul, sit. Paul.
Good. I'm ready to talk. I owe the nice gentleman.
Oliver, sit. He's 5 months old. He's doing pretty good, actually. You're a good boy.